Today I show you an unboxing of the first unboxing I did of the SJOSS charger, 20 watts. I bought one, here I bought one, and then later I bought another one. I wanted to buy another one because it's pretty cheap. This charger is really cheap and you can use it. It's a USB power supply for power delivery for 20 watts. It can handle pretty much anything. You might use it for any projects, like some electronics projects, or you can charge your phone with it. I charge my iPhone, iPad, and it doesn't show the slow charging, so that's pretty good. Some information here of this product specifically, and yeah, one port USB-C charging, so you need a USB-C to USB-C charging cable for this one if you're gonna use it. And the charging device, the charger, is pretty light, and this kind of things, I don't know what to do with them. Yeah, this information here you have in the leaflet about the charging mode, the power delivery, quick charge 3.0, and most important is the no load power consumption. And at the end there it says 0.02 watts. So yeah, efficiency it's a really power efficient, it looks like on paper at least, charger from Ikea. And the SJOSS chargers from Ikea, they're really good. For me, I have a few of the 45 watts, and I bought now the 65 watts and this one, the 20 watts, and another 20 watts. And this style is the European style. I also have the UK plug style from Cyprus. This one is, I bought it from Romania. You don't find these chargers in all countries for some reason. I wish they had them in Cyprus here also, but I got one 65 watts and this 20 watts. So yeah, it's a great option to use with any of the USB-C to USB-C Ikea cables or any other USB-C to USB-C cables, and it plugs in really well. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.